New you has a wondering feeling. New you has wings.
New you has bricks that are healing by owning what you own and leaving what you're leaving.
And speaking of leaving what you're leaving, leave your house. Come out November 22nd and see us play at the Golden Link. So information's on the screen. We'd love to see you in Rochester, New York. November 22nd. Be there.
You can be there. See Mad Agnes live.
Come on, see Mad Agnes live.
You can see us live. Yes, you can.
Do it.
Yes, please. Kermie, get out of there. Kermie.
Watching the years. Come on.